Welcome to my training video. In this video I'm going to show you step by step how to create a paid campaign, step by step, everything, so you can go and launch your own campaign right now, start getting quality buyer traffic and start making money and affiliate commissions with Clickbank, Warrior Plus, Digistore24, JVZoo, any network you're using. You could get started today and start receiving unlimited amounts of traffic and sales within 24 hours. I'm going to show you step by step. I'm going to show you how to create a campaign. I'm going to show you how to do this all in this video. So stay tuned right to the end. And if you have been struggling to generate traffic, especially paid traffic and buyer traffic, this one video is more than enough to solve your traffic problems permanently. Okay, so I'm going to show you step by step how to get unlimited traffic. So watch this video. It's going to be a short and sweet video, but it's going to be one of the videos that's going to help you solve your traffic problems permanently. Okay, so a website address is popping up right now on your screen. Go to this website address and create your free account. That's right, it's a free account. Just create your free account. When you go to this website address, you're going to come to a screen just like this. Okay, so you're going to see something like this. Okay, so you're going to see a screen just like this. Okay, you could watch this video. These are videos, real testimonies of people are crushing it, okay, with this traffic network. Okay, so I'm going to show you step by step how to generate traffic within 24 hours, get approved, etc. So when you go to that website address, you're going to come here, click on get started, and then you just want to enter your name, last name, email address, password, and click on sign up. Go to your Gmail account and verify your account, and then you just need to log in. Okay, so once you have logged in, you're going to see something just like this. Okay, you're going to see something like this. You can see here I've been testing different people down here. Okay, so you're going to see something just like this, a dashboard, and step by step I'm going to walk you through how to create your campaign. So let's just dive into this. Okay, so we're going to click on add new campaign. We're going to name this campaign. So I'm going to name this something like, let me put franchise business. Okay, and now you're going to put your destination URL down here. You're going to put your landing page URL. Now for landing pages, you could create your own landing page. You could hire someone to get it done. I use a software called ClickFunnels. If you want to use ClickFunnels with a free 14-day trial, a website address is just popping up. Go to that website address. You could create your free account and give it a test drive for free for 14 days. And for that, you could create a landing page. Okay, so I already have so many landing pages down here. I'm just going to come here, okay, and I am going to edit my landing page. This is the landing page I'm going to use, all right, for this purpose. I give it a test drive. So I could see updating masterclass for 2020. How I use this little known method to add an extra $1,800 to my bank account every single day. Okay, and without product shipping, website running or selling, access this masterclass now. Everything is just looking good. So if someone just clicks on this, it's going to take them to the pop-up. So let's just check the pop-up here. You are about to get the step-by-step 6-figure blueprint. Access masterclass now. Okay, that's looking great to me. Just go to settings, and you want to actually integrate it with your autoresponder account. Make sure you have an autoresponder. Autoresponder is when a person adds his email address, where is he going to go? Okay, so I'm just going to integrate this quickly. So I'm going to come here. I'm going to click on add to campaign. I'm going to click on select a list. Okay, so which list shall I select? Let's just do this one here. Okay, that's looking great. And then I'm just going to scroll down and look at the title, the simple blueprint. That's looking great as well. I'm going to go to general to see which offer is this going to promote for me. So I could see that it has an offer already, and I'm going to keep it as it is. Okay, and then I'm just going to click on save. All right, that's done. Just want to make sure everything is just looking good. Okay, this is a landing page that I created within 5 minutes. Okay, that's the beauty about ClickFunnels. All right, and I've been using ClickFunnels for over 5 years. No complaint. One of the best tools out there to split test different landing pages, sales funnel, webinar pages, and using their software and tool, I have been able to generate multiple $100,000 online in commissions. Okay, so if you want to use this tool, website address popping up right on your screen, you could go and create your free account with ClickFunnels. It comes with a free 14-day trial. Just give it a test drive. I believe you're going to love it. Okay, so let's just go back. Okay, so I have 2 landing pages down here to split test. For this purpose, what I'm going to do is, okay, let me just see the stats first. Okay, I want to see the stats to make sure that I could actually track. Okay, so I could see here, let me just go and select January 1st, okay, to February 5th, and let's see if I could get some. Okay, so I could see some stats down here. Alright, so I could see that my opt-in rate, okay, for the default one, control, is 7.69 and variation is 60.67. That doesn't look good to me, but I think this traffic wasn't the qualified traffic. Okay, so what about if I just change this a bit to something like, let's just put 22, and let's see what happens if I'm still receiving traffic. If not, then I'll just actually create a new landing page to test for test purposes. Okay, alright, so I could see it's 14.29. Is it the same? So I could see that the control has done more better. It's done like 7.5%, 20%, etc. Whatever it is, just going to leave it as it is. Let's just go back to steps. Okay, and I'm going to take this link down here. This is my landing page URL, and let's just go here and I'm going to put it in here. Okay, there you go. I'm going to scroll down. Allow traffic, make money online. Traffic providers, I highly recommend you test each one of them, then spill out the good ones. So I'm just going to test one guy from here. Which one shall I test? Okay, let me just see. Okay, let me just test this guy here. Or in fact, let me just test this guy here. Okay, so I'm just going to test this guy. English, tier 1 countries, just keep it as tier 1 countries. Device type, leave it empty. Device operator, leave it empty. Email clicks, this is what we want. Okay, CPC maximum cost per click, keep empty for all traffic. It says here, based on your current targeting, there are 187 clicks available at a cost of, okay, so let's just maximum, I'm going to put something like 0.65 cents. Okay, not bad. Total budget, stop campaign when reached, keep empty for unlimited. Daily budget, keep empty for unlimited. Okay, so I could see here. Okay, so I'm going to click on active, and then I'm just click on save campaign. Okay, it's that easy. All right, now when you click on save campaign, what you will need to do is, okay, let me just put it on pause for now. Save campaign. Okay, what you need to do is you need to add some funds here. Okay, so you just click on add funds and then add some money into your account. As soon as you will add money into your account's going to go live. You're going to start receiving traffic and you're going to start building a list. It's that simple. Okay, so there you go. I've just walked you through step by step how to create a paid traffic campaign using this traffic network. It's free to join this traffic network. Okay, all the links are going to be in my description box below this video for you to join. Make sure you check it out. And also, if you want to learn how I make thousands of dollars every single month, how other people are making thousands of dollars every single month, make sure you check out my links in my description box below this video, where I show you a business blueprint that will pay you 100% profit, all business setup done for you, and you're gonna get access to this incredible business, six-figure business system that's changing thousands of people's lives. Okay, so all the links are going to be in the description box. Make sure to check it out. See you in the next video.